Hi there, it's your favorite day at work again, and you know what that means. The coffee's up and running, customers are coming in and out, and you're ready to take on the world. But before you get too far into your day, make sure you got your AGOZ Clover case with Sling Waistbelt on your device. This is an advanced protection that combines a minimalistic aesthetic look to give you security at all times for your device. The unique strap design of this holster lets you wear either on your waist or as a crossbody, so no matter where life takes you, work or play, your device will be safe and secure. The most important parts of your device, like the screen, the sides, and the back, are always protected from harm without adding any thickness or weight to the case. This case is also water resistant, featuring a double stitching for extra durability, and a credit card slot in the front of the case for when you need it to run an errand or two.